Welcome back. So welcome to our new video. So today we will build this type of web applications using React with Tailwind CSS and some of npm libraries. Okay, so let's have a look. This is our page, which will be this is our website, which will be we create. Okay. So you can see here is the navbar, here is section, another section, and some special features, and there are two sections and a footer. So it was a small project and it's a Fiverr project. You can see it's a $300 project from one of my honorable client. Here is a single page I have to make, and some extra elements and some forms. So it's maybe 3 or 4 pages if we wrap whole components. Okay, let's get start to build these applications. And this application is 100% mobile friendly, I mean fully responsive. If you check, you can see when you click on it, you can see the menu is open and close, and you can see this is the cards, and every components are 100% responsive and mobile friendly. Okay, so let's jump to the workspace and let's start our journey, and we will try to make similar website using React and with and Tailwind CSS. Okay, so here is the prerequisitory, because I already installed in here I already install and you set up some pages and components. Okay, because it's decreased few times, and if I install every npm libraries and React, it will take more times. That's why I want to sort the video as soon as possible. Okay, so this is our fresh React project. Let's run the project. So I'm going to my terminal and open a new terminal, and I'm typing npm run dev. Okay, and I click on it. Then components here, maybe these all need to remove. Okay, so you can see the home, header, footer, and we will make this layouts. So everything we will make from scratch. Okay, so I just make 3 page: home, signups and sign in, and I make 3 layouts: footer, header and wrapper. Wrapper is mainly a container. It's a little bit similar to container. Okay, because we add a specific width for our maximum width. Okay, for our every component which we will add this wrapper, it will get maximum 1250 pixel. And you can see here is our app.js. I just simply set up the routes. Okay, and I wrap the browser the whole app to the browser router. Okay, it's a React router DOM. You can see here is our Tailwind CSS install and file server, file saver for saves file. We will I'll see it later. React DOM, React icons and router DOMs. So routes and route, those all come from router DOM version 6. Okay, so let's start and let's do it. And I delete every CSS from index.css, and I just add background color and the font family. Okay, we will use the 2 no font, Google font, and this is our background color. And also we add our custom colors. Okay, this is your custom colors, color 1, color 2, and color 3. Okay, these 3 colors we will use to build this applications. Okay, so let's start to the header first. Because a wrapper is already made, I just use some class name and I accept as a children and class name as a profs. Okay, and whole children, whole design and the whole wrapper component will be comes into children's, and show it as a children of the wrapper. So I'm going to header and write header header tag. Okay, and then now I import the wrapper, wrapper, and now I will make a div, and then we need 3 sections. If you see, we need 3 specific area. Okay, top, left, middle, and right. Okay, so we make here 3 div, name logo, and second one will be nav, because here will be will show the menus and the buttons. Okay, so I just put here a simple logo text, and neighbor will be ULLIA. Okay, so yes, and first will be home, second will be SIG and sign up, and third will be document upload, DOCUMENT UPLOAD. Okay, we not need this for items. Okay, and variants, we want a link. Okay, and sign in. Okay, and the 2 will be, right now I use a just slash. Okay, so I have to import this link. Okay, so link from React Router DOM. Perfect. Okay, you can see home and everything is here. Okay, perfect. Now for this we will use here some class name, flex justify must be between items center, and MD LEADING. Leading will be, not need to be leading here. Okay, flex, and we can make some gap 3. Perfect. You can see those all are goes there. Dedicated plus sections. Okay, now we will use here some class name, W full age will be 60 pixel. Okay, border b border slat JSON 400 sti md will be sticky and md will be top 0. Perfect. Let's see. Okay, that's great. In wrapper we have to use a class name called leading 60 pixel. MD PV 0 and PV 5. Okay, Z20. Perfect. Class name justify center items center gap for. Okay, perfect. So now class name over text slat cell 400 duration 100. Okay, let's check the hover effect. Okay, it's perfectly working and it's working smoothly also. And sign in button, we have to do and sign in. So for sign in we will use the class name bz call tw2 py2 px 6 rounded rounded lg hover vg opacity 80%, duration 100, text col1. Okay, font semi-bold. Perfect. Let's check. Okay, yeah, and pvt. Now it's working perfectly, and if I check it, mobile responsive, right now we will okay. Perfect. So it's working perfectly, but it's some issue because we have to use here our color. So bg will be col1, sorry. Okay, so now check it. Shit. Okay, so it's working perfectly. Now we will fix our mobile menu show and hide. Okay, so we need React icons, we need bar. Okay, we will use Fiverr, this one, and in here we will use this div. Okay, but here we will use a class name mdhi hidden, because we do not want to see this div in large device. Okay, so when you in large device it will not show, but when we go to the mobile device it will show. Okay, block, perfect. Oh, sorry, we have to import this, import react icons /f. Perfect, you can see this is the logo. So for this flex justify int item center, perfect, and class name text will be lg. So excel, yeah, now it's perfect. Okay, so now we will show and hide when we click on the bars button. Okay, so we have to make a state const show menu, set show menu, use set false. By default we want to hide this menu. Okay, and when we click on this button we want to handle show menu. Okay, we want to run this function, so function, you can use arrow function in here. Okay, no problem. tu return show menu, not so. So this condition will work like this, when it will show, and when we will click on it it will not show, I mean it will false. So is it false, and when you click on it it will true. If it's true, when you click on it it will false, like this. Okay, just we will change our state false to true, true to false. Okay, and now we will use here this conditions, okay, in the neighbor. Okay, so class name by default, so it will true, so it will block block, and if it's false it will HIDDEN, but in for MD it will be LOCK block. Perfect. Okay, so now when I click on it, it will show. When I click on it, it will hide. So it will hide. And if we in large device, it will show. That's why we use here MD block. When it's go to the MD, it will block. Okay, perfect. But we want to also change this bar icons. So when it's open, it will times button, I mean the X button or cross button, and when it's hide, it will show the bar buttons. Okay, that's why we will use this times button, F times. Okay, so if so, time button will show. Okay, and if it falls, then bars button will show. Very simple and easy. Okay, when I click on it, the cross button is open and bar button is hide, and also mobile is open and hide. Okay, perfectly working. So our number is okay, done. So we will go to our hero section. Maybe we will make this sections. Okay, so we will make a component called hero.jsx, so function components. Okay, and in home page we just okay, let's check. Yeah, hero section is here. Okay, so now we will make our hero section. So now I'm going to hero and here sec, I'll make a section, then wra wrapper, then div, then left hero. We don't use this class, but only for our easy to understand, that's why I use this class, and write hero. Okay, so if you see the class, you can easily understand this is the right hero sections and this is the left hero section. So left and it's right. Perfect. So class name in MD only we want flex, justify between item center, and gap will be 5. Okay, and we want to give it a specific height 1/2, sorry, width, and w 1/2. Perfect. Okay, you can see the left section and right section. Okay, so now here class name my 20. Okay, so it's 20, and in here we will use some padding, so py4, so total 24. Perfect. So okay, so now we will make this section, I mean left section. So at first I make here another div, okay, and here it is h1 tag, this one I use here break tag, also I use here break tag, okay. And you can see here is different color, so we will use here is span tag, span, perfect. If you go to our side you can see perfect. Now we will design. So class md text for excel sorry, md will be 7 excel and text will be 4 excel, okay. And font semi bold, okay, font semi bold. And only for desktop, I mean large device, I want to give it line height 90 pixel, okay. Let's check. Wow, perfect, okay. Now we will change this color. First font text, so class name text call THREE, maybe it's called 3 and font bold, perfect, okay. Now here we will use another p tag for this text, okay. So class name md text excel font semi bold mt 10, perfect. You can see that's perfectly working, okay. So now we will import our icons, Google and icons img, okay. So image we will import import GWGLE Google FROM from assets / images / okay. So in here we use Google and APPLE Apple, perfect. And now we will use class name width will be 30% and height h will be auto, okay. And for this image similar, and flex justify start temp center gap 4. Perfect, it's perfectly working. empty 6. Okay, you can see it's perfectly working. Now we will move to our right section. So for right section we need to import image. So here image, perfect. Okay, now it's perfectly working. Okay, so we have to add this shadow, this one. Okay, so now we will add this shadow. So position will be at a relative, relative, and we'll make here another div and select class name. It will be 300 pixel, height will be 300 pixel, and position will be absolute, top will be 1/3, left will be 0, MD left will be 1/2, MD MX0, inset will be also 0, BG gradient to bottom gradient to B, then FROM from call will be TWO to transparent ROUN, transparent ROUND, rounded full SHADOW, shadow will be large, FILTR filter shade, BLUR blur, 80 pixel, and opacity 75. Perfect. Let's check. You can see. Okay, so it's also perfectly working. That's good. So our hero section is complete. So now we will move the start selling section. So make another component called start selling, SELL STRT start SELL. Okay, now we again make a section TION and import wrapp wrapper and div okay, and div another for left and div for right. Perfect. So class name mt16 pt8. Okay, class name it will black black and md will be flex. Okay, gap 8 justify between text white essential shadow md border to border sl border col tw equal to rv1dd rounded 3xl md p8. Oh, sorry. We have to import this in our below hero section. So let's start selling. Okay, perfect. So class name md4x5, it's only for large device, so md 1/5. Okay, perfect. So now left side we will design h1 start selling with JIT. Okay, so class name text 3xl md text 5xl font bold. Okay, so span because JIT text color is different, so we have to use this color. So text equal to okay, you can see perfectly working. Okay, for P, this is the P. P3. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we will add our button in right section. Okay, so button text will be become a seller. So I just copy from here. Class name, py2 px6 round rounded lg bg t call two text call 1 duration duration 100 over bg opacity will be 80. Okay, perfect. Need to increase text size. Text will be XL. Font will be semi-bold. Perfect. Okay, and the PV5 maybe now it's okay. Okay, perfectly. And flex, so ITMS. Okay, so now it's also working perfectly. Okay, maybe I think need to more padding. PB 16 and P will be 8. Perfect. Sorry. PX okay. Now it's perfect. Okay, so header, okay, so we will make another section, special features. Okay, so we just make a card and then we will just type multiple time. Okay, I mean use multiple time. So feature card, so we will make a special features component, features features.jsx component, features feature card. So features, SCCTION similar, wrapper wrapper. Okay, class name text cntr pv10, class name py16, h1 spaceil spatial features features. Okay. So now we will add some class for special text. Text will be, so text and MB will on font semi-bold. Okay, and when it's on large device, text will be 5 pixel. Perfect. Special features, call THR3 font bold. Now we will add this special feature slogan. Okay, I mean the paragraph text. Perfect, maybe it's 2. Okay, So this is the special features. So now div on class CLA class name md flex gap 6 justify center align div class name mdw 1/4 mb4 md mb0 p10 ASAUTO border 2 border border SLAT set char 400 hover border WHIT duration 100 RUND rounded Excel. Perfect. Now image, for this image use img1. Okay, class name RUND rounded Excel mb5 w120 pixel max, height AUTO max mx auto. Okay, now H2 class name text to Excel my2 font semi-bold p. Okay, now we will copy this text again. We will copy this text. Okay, let's see. Okay, so okay, perfect. So now we will just copy this 4 times. Perfect. Okay, here is 8, but we do not want to make this 8. Okay, because we just use this testing purpose. So just simply, also you can make a card for this, and you can also image, text, and descriptions send as a props. Then you can copy the cards multiple times, and if also if it's come from the API, you can also make a map function, then integrate this every card. this card for multiple time. Okay, but for this 4 I do not want to make another card for this. Okay, so our special features is done. So just simply change this text. It's very easy. I do not want to change this card in the image. Just import the image like this and then use the cards. Okay, and then our next part is this one. Okay, so let's build this part. So now I will make another component. Name feature feature on dot JS export. Okay, so now I am import this feature one in home page. So in here import this feature feature on. Okay, feature sorry, I mistake this feature feature on. Okay, feature one. Perfect. Now you can see this is the feature one. Let's build the feature one. So for this we make a section, then wrapper, then div, then div, then left sec, and here right section. Okay, so now we will use class md flex justify between item center, not need item center. Okay, gap, eight. In the left side we want 50% of total width, so this one, and for this and now div. Okay, class name py3, px will be 5, roundlg, sh area shadow, bgwhit while text col, font semi bold, flex justify start, gap 3. Okay, So now we will use bs ILLCHECK CIR class name empty1. Okay, bs fill check circle, bs fill check circle. bs fill wrapper import maybe FILLCHECK CIR CLA fill. Okay, bs fill check this one. Home features, where is the problem? Let's check. Okay, perfect. Feature. So here maybe forget $C template. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we will make this. So this one, class name is equal to my10. Okay, h1 is equal to get gdap. Okay, class name text 3xl md leading 3.5 rem, font semi bold MD text 5 pixel. Okay, perfect. And now we will add this text. Okay, so I just copy the text, okay, perfect. Need to increase the font size, so only for MD I want to text LG. Perfect. So similar this button, you can see this button also similar of this, so we will just copy this section and paste it here. So it's, so we can reduce few time. So hero section, and I just come here, copy and feature one here. Okay, perfect. We need to also import this images. Okay, so net Google feature on, perfect. Okay, now we will make our right section. Okay, so this section, relative my 16. Okay, now first image, so CLA class name MD W 30%, height full. Okay, but W 42%, 42% absolute. Equal 95. So we will exactly get our best result. Top will be, so top 0 mdrigst right to rigst right will be 16 trns 16 rounded rounded excel. Okay, so now we will import our image. Import so pmg on and pmg2. Okay, now it's 2, it will be 2. %, left 20%, 10% MD, top 10% MD 10%, left 50%, left 50%. Okay, yeah, now it's okay. And now we have to make this shadow, this shadow. Okay, so make it 40. Now we will make this shadow. So class name w is equal to 300 pixel and height will be also 300 pixel, md mx0, inct inset 0, bg gra dient gradient to be bottom, FRM form call tw to transparent round rounded full dow shadow lg filter iltr filter bl your blur will be 80 pixel, opacity 75. Okay, so it's maybe with need to reduce, so height will be full, height will be full. Okay, now I think it's okay, a little bit similar but it's okay. Okay, so this section is also okay. Perfect. Okay, so now we will make our another section, this one. Okay, so both are very similar. We will just copy this all and we will change everything as per our requirements. So feature FEAT TWO.jsx. okay, feature 2. Okay, so what is the left section? This one, and this is the right section. Okay, so we just cut and paste it here. Okay, let's check. Oh, we have to import this feature to home. Perfect. So I'm going to feature 2. With full top, left 0, left 30, top 5, top 10% for MD and top 5%, and this one is top 30, left MD, left 20, left 35, 20, top 30, top 10, left 20, 22. Okay, so it's left maybe 10%. Okay, 0. Perfect. Now we will change this all text, so just copy this text and I have to add this in here. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, so everything is done, and so we have to only make this one. Here okay, now we will make those. Now we will make this for checkbox. Okay, so we have to put this sorry, class name inline block my3. Okay, now I just copy this one. okay, mx photo, and w will be maximum 800 pixel. Perfect. Okay, so now we just copy multiple times. Okay, perfect. So now we will make the footer, and here is also a text. So this is a simple text. Sorry. Okay, now it's perfect. So now we will make our home page, our footer. So now I'm going to footer, and here footer, wrapper, div, only md flex, justify, start, and items start. Okay, class name w, it's only for md, w 1/4. Okay, you can see empty 10 py 6 BODR box box no box SHADOW shadow WHITE white BORDER border WHITE BORDER border T. Essential shadow. Okay, now we will add just for text like H2 about us, quick links. Has gap will be 5. Okay, perfect. py also 10. Perfect. Subscribe. Perfect. Let's check our responsive. Okay, maybe feature 2 has some problem, like it will be MD. Okay, now I think perfect. Yeah, it's perfect working. And footer, we have to add some margin. MB0 but MB4 5. Okay, so not need here but needs here. Perfect. So it's working perfectly. It's also, and these all are perfect, but it's need to a little bit right in mobile view. So in card 2 image MD top top 30, maybe it is 0, it will 0, and it's need to 20. Should some, take some space, and MD will be and left 10. Okay, I think 20. Okay, now it's okay, but it's need to left 38. Perfect. MT 10 MD MT0 sub PT. Okay, now it's working, it's also working fine. So fully responsive and everybody is working fine. So this is our first part. Second part we will make others, like the become seller and others. Okay, so I was trying to make this page similar, and I also trying to describe everything from scratch. Okay, so that's why it's take few times, and if you have any questions you can text me on comments, and if you have any instruction for me, just text me on comment box. Okay, so thank you for showing the first part full. Okay, we will make our others all section, like become seller, sign up, sign in form, sign up form, doc form. Okay, like doc wall. Okay, desk form, company form. We will make this in our next tutorial, otherwise it will take more time. It will boring for everyone. That's why I split this two part. Okay, so thank you for now, and see you next part as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you for now. Bye bye.